Hello students, good morning. Welcome to SS Online classes. Students, today it's your GK turn. So we will read today GK. And students, we have completed chapter 3 Classical Dances of India of our Know and Grow with Direct GK book in our last video. And today we are going to start a new chapter of our Know and Grow with Direct GK book. And the number of this new chapter is chapter 4 and the name of this chapter 4 is Sporting Terms. Okay. So students, today we will read chapter 4 and included in chapter 4 we will read about sports. And we will read and solve exercise A and B, which is page number 7 in our Know and Grow with Direct GK book. And after that, we will also solve this exercise A of chapter 4 in our Fast GK notebook in our today's class. Okay. So all students, please pay partial attention to class and listen to my words clearly because today we are going to read about sports. Okay. All students, look at this page number 7. Let's see. Students, chapter number is chapter 4 and the name of this chapter 4 is Sporting Terms. Okay. And students, this chapter 4 Sporting Terms related to sports. Sports से related है, खेलों से संबंधित है. Let's see exercise A. Students, of exercise A is write the names of the sports with which these terms are associated using the help box. Okay. Write the names of the sports. It's mean कि खेलों के नाम लिखिए with which these terms are associated, जो इन terms से संबंधित है using the help box. Okay, help box का प्रयोग करके. Your exercise A is write the names of the sports with which these terms are associated, using the help box. It's mean help box का प्रयोग करके इन खेलों के नेम लिखिए जो इन टर्म से एसोसिएटेड है. ओके, इन टर्म से संबंधित है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी. इट्स योर हेल्प बॉक्स, ये आपका हेल्प बॉक्स है. एंड इन दिस हेल्प बॉक्स योर हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स आर क्रिकेट, सेकेंड बॉक्सिंग, नेक्स्ट टेबल टेनिस, नेक्स्ट वॉलीबॉल, नेक्स्ट स्विमिंग, नेक्स्ट हॉकी, नेक्स्ट फुटबॉल. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट लेट्स सी फर्स्ट टर्म of associated. Students, of first word is dues and students the sport name is tennis. Okay, so students write down here tennis. Take out this word tennis from the given help box and write down here tennis in this first number blank. Okay, TENNIS, tennis. Clear? Students, let's see second number. Students, so second number term of associated is leg before wicket. Okay, and students the correct word which can be write down here in this second number blank is cricket. Okay, because this term is related to this sport name cricket. Okay, so students take out this word cricket from the given help box and write down here cricket in this second number blank, CRICKET, cricket. Okay, students, let's see third number. Students, your third number word is penhold, and students this word penhold related to sport table tennis. Okay, so students take out this word table tennis from the given help box and write down here table tennis in this third number blank, TABLE, table, TENNIS, tennis. Okay, and students let's see four number. Students, so four number word is kick off, and students this term related to sport football. Okay, so students take out this word football from the given help box and write down here football in this four number blank, FWOTBALL, football. Okay, students, let's see fifth number. Students, so fifth number word is drag flick. Okay, and students this term related to sport hockey. Okay, so students take out this word hockey from the given help box and write down here hockey in this fifth number blank, HOCKEY, hockey. Okay, and students let's see next term. Students, so next term is jump serve, and students this term related to sport volleyball. So students take out this word volleyball from the given help box and write down here volleyball, VOLLEY, volley, BALL, ball. Okay, write down here volleyball in this 6 number blank. Clear? Students, let's see 7 number term. Students, so 7 number word is backstroke, and students this word is related to sport swimming से related है. Okay, so students write down here swimming in this 7 number blank, SWIMMING, swimming it's mean तैराकी होते हैं, and it's a picture of swimming sport का एक picture है. Okay, students let's see next your next 8 number term is uppercut. Okay, and students it's a last term of exercise A, and students this term is related with boxing से related है. So students take out this word boxing from the given help box and write down here boxing in this 8 number blank, BOXING, boxing. Okay, and students we have read and completed this exercise A, and in this exercise A your sports names are first tennis, second cricket, third table tennis, fourth football, fifth hockey, next volleyball, next swimming, and last boxing. Clear? Students, we have read and solved this exercise A, and I hope you must have understood this exercise A. You have no problem in any sport name of this exercise A. Okay, now we are going to read and solve exercise B of this chapter 4 in our Know and Grow with Direct GK book. Okay, so students let's see exercise B. Students, so exercise B is read the clues. Okay, and take the correct option. Okay, read the clues, it's mean इन clues को पढ़िए, इन जो संकेतों को पढ़िए. ओके, एंड टेक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, और सही विकल्प पर सही का निशान लगाइए. ओके, इन क्लूज को पढ़िए और सही विकल्प पर सही का निशान लगाइए. So students, let's read this first number clue. Okay students, your first number clue is in cricket, a ball that reaches the batsman without bouncing. Okay, in cricket it's mean cricket में a ball it's mean एक गेंद, that means जो reaches means पहुँचती है, the batsman it's mean batsman के पास, without bouncing it's mean बिना बाउंस किए. Okay, तो students आवर क्लू इज़ दैट कि क्रिकेट में एक बॉल एक गेंद जो बैटमैन के पास पहुँचती है बिना बाउंसी के. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स your given option are first full toss and oblique, next option is googly. Okay, so students, your correct option is first number option full toss. Okay, so students, tick below first number option full toss because it's a correct option. Okay, and students, let's see second number clue. Students, the second number clue is the person who runs the last leg in a relay race. Okay, एक व्यक्ति जो लास्ट लैग से रन करता है रिले रेस में. ओके, एक व्यक्ति जो रिले रेस में लास्ट लैग से रन करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, योर गिवन ऑप्शंस आर spine and anchor. Okay, your first number option is spine and second number option is anchor. Okay, so students, the correct option is anchor. Okay, your second number option is correct. So students, take below the second number option anchor. Okay, and students, let's see third number clue. Students, our third number clue, which is last clue of this exercise B, is in weightlifting, the rapid lifting of a particular weight from the floor to above the head in one moment. Okay, full stop. In weightlifting, it's mean weightlifting में the rapid lifting of a particular weight from the floor to above the head in one moment. कि एक weightlifting में सिर्फ one moment में एक क्षण में weight को फ्लोर से इट्स मीन फर्श से ऊपर की ओर मतलब उठाना, अबव द हेड के ऊपर ले जाना. ओके, तो वेट लिफ्टिंग में किसी रैपिड लिफ्टिंग की एक पर्टिकुलर वेट को, एक विशिष्ट भार को फ्लोर से इट मीन फर्श से हेड के अबव ले जाना, सिर के ऊपर ले जाना. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर गिवन ऑप्शंस आर फर्स्ट है स्नैच एंड नेक्स्ट है ग्रैब. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, योर फर्स्ट नंबर ऑप्शन स्नैच, इट्स अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, टिक बिलो दिस फर्स्ट number option is snatch. Clear? So students, we have read and solved this exercise B, and in this exercise B, your correct options are, your first number option is correct for this first number clue. Okay, full toss. And students, for your second number clue, your second number option is correct, anchor. And last, for your third number clue, your first number option is correct, snatch. Okay, so students, we have read and solved this exercise B, and I hope you must have understood this exercise B. You have no problem in any word of this exercise B. Okay, so students, let's read. Grow with Derek. Find out what these cricket terms mean. Jaffa, मैकेडेट, कैरम बॉल, चाइनामैन एंड देसी कटर. ओके, तो आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये जो क्रिकेट टर्म्स है ना, इनका मीन क्या है, इनका मतलब क्या है. फर्स्ट है जफ़ा, नेक्स्ट है आपका मैकेडेट, नेक्स्ट कैरम बॉल, नेक्स्ट चाइनामैन एंड लास्ट है डेजी कटर. ओके, तो आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है, ये पता लगाना है कि ये इन क्रिकेट टर्म्स का मीन क्या है, इन क्रिकेट टर्म्स का मतलब क्या है. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स योर 2 days होमवर्क, आज आपका होमवर्क है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Now we are going to read and solve exercise A and B of this chapter 4 in our fat GK notebook. Okay, so students, let's see. Your exercise is write the names of the sports with which these terms are associated using the help box. Okay, it's mean कि help box का प्रयोग करके इन sports के name write down करिए जो इन associated इन terms से associated है, इन terms से संबंधित है. Okay, students, your given helping words are first cricket, second boxing, next table tennis, next volleyball, next swimming, next hockey. Okay, students, your first number term is deuce, and students, this term is related to tennis. So students, write down here tennis in this first number blank. And students, your second number term is lag before wicket, and students, this term lag before wicket is related to sport cricket. Okay, so students, write down here cricket in this second number blank. And students, your third number term is span hold, and students, this term pan hold is related to sport table tennis. So students, write down here table tennis in this third number blank. And students, the 4 number term is kick off, and students, this kick off related to football. So students, write down here football in this 4 number blank. And students, so next 5 number term is jack flick, and students, this term jack flick is related to sport hockey. So students, write down here hockey in this 5th number blank. And students, so next 6 number term is jump serve, and this jump serve is related to sport volleyball. So students, write down here volleyball in this 6 number blank. Okay, and students, your 7 number term is backstroke, and this backstroke is related to sport swimming. So students, write down here swimming in this 7 number blank. And last, your 8 number term is uppercut, and uppercut is related to sport boxing. Okay, so students, write down here boxing in this 8 number blank. Okay, So students, your sports names are tennis, cricket, table tennis, football, hockey, volleyball, swimming, and last boxing. Clear? Students, let's exercise B. Students, so exercise B is read and clues and take the correct option. It's mean कि clue को पढ़िए, okay, और सही विकल्प पर सही का निशान लगाइए. Students, so first number clue is in cricket a ball that reaches the batsman without bouncing. Okay, कि क्रिकेट में एक बॉल जो बैट्समैन के पास बिना बाउंस के पहुंची. ओके, मतलब बिना बाउंस के ही पहुंची. तो स्टूडेंट्स, योर गिवन ऑप्शंस आर फर्स्ट फुल टॉस एंड सेकंड है गुगली. And since your first number option is correct, so all students tick below the first number option full toss because it's your correct option. And students, your second number clue is the person who runs the last leg in a relay race. It's mean कि एक व्यक्ति जो रिले रेस में लास्ट लेग से दौड़ता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, your given options are first spine and next है ancho. And son, your second number option is correct, ancho. Okay, so students, tick below your second number option ancho. And so let's see third number clue, which is last clue of this exercise B. Students, so third number clue is in weightlifting, the rapid lifting of a particular weight from the floor to above the head in one moment. Full stop. Okay, it's mean कि weight lifting में एक particular weight का rapid lifting में ओके कि एक ही मोमेंट में वन मोमेंट में एक क्षण में किसी वेट को हेड इट्स मीन कि फ्लोर से हेड के अबव ले जाना, फर्श से सिर के ऊपर ले जाना. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, योर गिवन ऑप्शंस आर स्नैच एंड ग्रैब. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, योर फर्स्ट नंबर ऑप्शन इज स्नैच. इट्स अ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टिक बिलो दिस फर्स्ट नंबर ऑप्शन इज स्नैच. ओके, so students, for your first number clue, your correct option is first number option full toss, and for your second number clue, your correct option is second number option anchor, and last for your third number clue, your correct option is first number option is snatch. Clear? So students, we have read and solve exercise A and B of this chapter 4 in our 5GK notebook, and I hope you have must understood what exercise A and B. You have no problem in any exercise A and exercise B. Okay, so students, today's classwork is that complete exercise A of this chapter 4, which is page number 7 in your Know and Grow with Derek GK book, and students also complete this exercise of chapter 4 in your 5GK notebook. It's a today's classwork. Okay, and since today's homework is that find out what these cricket terms mean: Jaffa, Mankadate, Carom ball, Chinaman and देसी कटा. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट, इट्स अ टुडेज होमवर्क. आज का आपका ये होमवर्क है कि आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन क्रिकेट टर्म के मीन क्या है. ओके, और ये क्रिकेट टर्म दिए हुए जफा, ओके, मैंकडेट, कैरम बॉल, चाइनामैन एंड देसी कटा. ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन क्रिकेट टर्म के मीन क्या है. क्लियर? सो इट्स अ टुडेज होमवर्क. ओके, and students, I've explained your class 1 homework and I hope you must have understood your class 1 homework. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Complete exercise A, which is page number 7 of this chapter 4 in your Know and Grow with Derek GK book. And after it sends, complete exercise A of this chapter 4, exercise A and exercise B both. Okay, of this chapter 4 in your 5GK notebook with a best handwriting and send me over here. Thank you.